Hi teacher, my docu, my name is Fray Galvan Suarez. I describe my kitchens. In my kitchen there is deep fried, there is rice cooker, there is four glass, there is fridge, there is nine spoons, there is my words, there is two discs, there is blender. Thank you.